how to change video background in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change video background in CapCut. So first thing first, simply head over to your CapCut application, and once you're inside your CapCut application, what you need to do is simply click on existing project or new project. So let me just click on my new project, and once you're inside here, select the video from which you want to change your background object into. So let's say I want this finger to appear in this green screen, in this wallpaper. So I will select the first background video, simply add on it, and once you do that, simply click on this overlay button over here and just click on add overlay, and then select the next video which you want to add on the first video, on top of the first video. So let me just split this part over here so it will be easy, and you can also adjust it accordingly. And let me just mute the clip for the copyright purposes. And from over here, what you need to do is simply highlight the second video, that is overlaid video, and find the option called remove background or cutout. If you don't see cutout, simply you can also find the remove background option and simply click on it. And once you click on it, you can simply click on this auto removal option and just wait for some time. Hit the right button and it will apply your feature. You just have to wait for some time, and once it's done, you can readjust your finger just like this. I mean your second videos just like this, that is your object video. And from over here you can simply extract the video, export the video just like this. So that is how you can easily remove your video background without no green screen effect on your CapCut. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.